Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Neelam, your art teacher, and today we are making Diwali activity, a Bandhanwar for Diwali decoration. And for that we need the handmade sheet, green, red and yellow pastel sheet and some glitter sheets. Okay, in first step, just fold the green paper and they are in rectangular size, and I will cut the leaf, the Ashoka tree leaves, and I will show you how to cut them. Fold the paper in one fold and then draw the leaf, and I will draw Ashoka tree leaf like this. Just start from one point of the joint part of the sheet and then in waves. So I'm cutting all the leaf part like this. This is a very easy technique to cut. Now, almost I need some 6 leaves for one Bandhanwar and 5 red pieces. So I'm cutting 5 red pieces in a simple shape. And I'm cutting all the pieces with the same measurement. Now I need the yellow cutout to paste in the center of the red paper, so I'm designing a motif, and that is a very common design. We always use this design in our mehendi or in mandala art. So I cut 5 pieces of this yellow paper and I'm pasting it on the red paper like this. So I have to prepare all the pieces like this, 5 pieces. After pasting yellow motifs, keep aside the all pieces and keep a heavy thing on the sheets. Okay, for leaf decoration you can use glitter, golden glitter, 3D outliner, but I don't have the 3D outliner golden, so I have a green outliner. So I am making veins to decorate the leaves. Just draw a straight line in the center and then draw lines, slant lines, left side or right side. Okay, our leaves are ready. So now keep them aside for drying. Now we will prepare the red part because they are dried. So I am pasting green glitter circle, glitter sheet, and one golden glitter sheet, a smaller circle over the green, and red on the upper part of the sheet. And I am using that same 3D outliner, green outliner, to make dots on the outer side of that motif, yellow motif. You can use acrylic colors with Q-tips also to decorate these motifs in easy steps. And after drying and painting, and drying, I will use the punch tool to make holes on the both side, upper part, left or right, and in the leaves also. Then I will use ribbon to make them in a row. First I will use the leaf and then the motif, and one by alternate I use. After making the row, you can use it as a Bandhanwar, as a decoration on your entry gate. Hope you like this activity. You must try this. Thank you.